Sun comes over mountains and valleys, turn to gold, forests shed their winter and birds sing songs of hope, lovely, when you're right here beside me, love restoring, oh you make spring awake in my soul.
This little girl is so tired. Pick up and move in day. And boy, yep, we got a lot to do. But this little girl, oh my God, she's so cute. Love you, Sophie.
Okay, we are going for our nightly walk. Yes, we are. We are in Oak, what is it? I'm so tired. Oak Alley. And it's a beautiful place. Nice and quiet.
Let's walk over to the we can't walk beside
No. You can see it over there, all the oak trees. And there's animals over there. Kind of, you can almost see the old barns.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like
cool, like Tom Sawyer Island in Disneyland.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
It's like right out of it.
It is. I don't know if you could see there. I wish we could zoom in.
Zoom in?
I can't with this. But yeah, it is pretty cool looking. But yeah, it's been really hot and muggy, but it's been nice.
Then so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of our hearts beat aloud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful, oh it's so beautiful, uncontainable, undeniable, wonderful, oh it's so beautiful, uncontainable, undeniable.
The dog's barking behind us. We've got storks crossing over there, and they're real loud. So is that attention.
Magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful. Holding on so tightly now, I've missed every sign. You come down to meet me and open up my eyes, lovely, when you're right here beside me, love restoring, oh you make spring awake in my soul. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of my heart beat loud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of our hearts beat loud, part of something.
Dogs driving the trailer. Woo-hoo, doing it, doing it. Far forward, you can see. Drive to that. Georgia at the Loves. So we're gonna go over here and try to cool off. Not as hot as it was when we got here. Come on, Soph. Huh. It's still warm. Barbecue's nice. Yeah. Got some tractors. This is at the Lowe's RV stop. Yeah. You can see over there. Oh, there's the exit there. I wondered where the exit was. Now I know. And there's us. Right over there. Yep. Nice little country fence. That's pretty. It's definitely not as hot as Florida was. Whoa, that was hot. Yeah. Wow. All right. Well, this is the Loves RV stop in Georgia along I-75. Yep. So lessons learned. Definitely do your checklists. Just like Brother Rich recommended, and we did that, and it's a good thing because there are a number of things on the checklist I would have gotten wrong if I didn't have the checklist. You'll get a kick out of this. I even thought that I had written the checklist wrong, but no, I was going to do it wrong. So it forced me to think about it, and then, oh yeah, checklist is right. Go figure. So make sure you do your checklists. That's pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. So we got a checklist for a for not unhitching, and then a checklist for unhitching. So I have one more to write, which I'm going to need for tomorrow. So I gotta have to do that. That's my homework for tonight. Yeah. So, but they're well worth it. It'll save your bacon, save mine. Sophie, let's fix your arm. Come on, let's fix this. Here, there you go. Good girl. Yep. Oh, I can hear a train. Train and a tractor. How's that for a couple combo? Huh. Alright. There's the interstate over there. Okay, so come on. Alright. Next stop, Tennessee.